What's up, Seek? And we back, we back, and we back with a mukbang. We did the Grimace birthday. The Grimace birthday gang, because you know I'm a Cancer, so you know I had to do it one time for one time, you know? Hopefully this is a plastic one. No, that's paper. Everything's freaking paper. What the? That's paper too. What the fuck? Everything is paper. Alright. Oh, this is lit. I like this shit. It come with a medium fry. It come with a 10-piece. And you know your sauce is a regular amount. But we finna eat it. So yeah. Why not, again? I haven't done a video in a while. You know, I just been getting up this. I'm not even gonna edit that out. I've been getting stuff ready, you know, for my birthday. So like, I just ain't been, you know, doing my thug dizzle like I was supposed to be doing, you know. Here's the nuggets, yeah, and the fries, yeah, okay. I can't really tell you, y'all, like, what this shake tastes like, but it's good. It's supposed to be giving, like, fruity pebble vibes. I don't know, like, yeah, it's crazy. And I got the sauces. You know, I got the sauces. Hold on, y'all. Let me make sure to do it. Hold on. Hey, y'all, so we back. And this mukbang is pretty much like, y'all, I'm about to be 30. And I don't know if a lot of people, you know my story. And y'all probably don't, but my son passed away 5 years ago, and I was suicidal and I'm ready to end it all. So, like, the fact that I'm here now, and don't mind my hair because I didn't bump it. I had to perm it and make sure, like, it was ready for what I needed to be ready for. But the fact that, like, I'm here and I'm preparing to be 30 is, like, it's a blessing. It's a big blessing, y'all. Because I didn't think I was going to make it to see 26. I didn't think, like, y'all, I was gonna make it to see 30. Like, I used to tell people, like, I don't think I'm gonna be 30. And here I am. I'm about to be 30, y'all. But I was going through hardship after hardship, and it all meant something. So I am so happy. I'm preparing for my birthday. Like, I'm excited. This shake, y'all need to get up before it ends, because this shit, yeah. Y'all, about a month and a half ago, this all was red. My roots are now brown. My booty pink, my booty hole real. I'm trying to get a thumbnail, y'all. I hope I got one. I took like 10. That's why they got it. Like, oh, are you cool? Take a picture. They go, but, I was so scared, y'all, because I thought they was, like, not gonna have the meal. But, y'all, they did. And they knew what I was talking about. Grimace is a Cancer. I fuck with her. He's a cancer. So, y'all, I have a new business venture, and I'm very excited about it. I love weed. Everybody loves weed. You know what I'm saying? I've now learned how to make weed butter. Weed butter? Yes, y'all. I learned how to make weed butter. And so because I learned how to make weed butter, y'all, I know how to bake. So I'm like, it's over now, you know? And I'm excited about it. Because it's gonna be called CC Treats. No, CC Sweets and Treats. I'm not gonna tell you how I'm spelling it, but yeah. That's what it's gonna be called. And I'm excited. I'm at work. I can't wait because I go on vacation. So I'm so excited. I like going to work. I'm that much more satisfied. Called my husband. I guess he's asleep. Woohoo. Wow, bud. That's why I can't drink with everybody because he cannot hang. His ass is drunk. I want to be asleep. I'm not married. I'm not even drunk. I'm hungry. 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 I don't think a hostage could be hungry. And that's just that on that. I was hungry, it was hot. I was like, no, I can't do it. Y'all know what's really good? The Buffalo Ranch sauce. And if you mix it, no, the spicy buffalo. And if you mix it with the barbecue, yo, that shit is a game changer. And I don't care what nobody says. Yo, this is so good. I think they gave me more than 10 nuggets, but I'm gonna shut up and mind my business. Cause yeah, I've been eating nuggets. No, I've been eating nuggets. Y'all, these mosquitoes, yo, fuck Bloomberg, because the mosquitoes he released in Baltimore are coming to New York, and I don't like it. Don't tell me it's not, because they are. I know I've been getting bit more than usual. And that's some shit. I pray don't know if it sound good. Period. But y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what 30 brings. I really want it to be like my soft girl era. And I don't necessarily know what that looks like. Y'all, I don't know what that looks like. But I've always been go with the flow type of girl. So, because I've always been the go with the flow type of girl, I'm excited to just see where the journey leads me. And who knows where it could lead me. You know? It can lead me to some inspirational shit, and I'm excited for it. Or it can lead me to some dull shit, and I'm excited for that too. Because listen, my life be hectic. Quiet and slow. Oh, this would be good with some berries in it. You know I'm an alcoholic because wow. I feel like I should get the Big Mac meal. But I don't like the Big Mac sauce. I don't know why. I don't care to understand why, but it doesn't taste great to me. I want some water. Cause y'all, that shit is sweet. Like, it's good, don't get me wrong, but it's sweet as hell. I ain't for it. I'm for it, but I ain't for it. I'm for this water. I definitely forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, that is sweet. So I need to get some water. Anyway, the main topic is, y'all, I'm 30. Or I'm gonna be 30. I have a week, but it was really counting. It was really counting. I'm a simple girl, right? A bouquet of chicken nuggets will get me every time. Every time. Every time. And McDonald's fries, baby. I feel like they sprinkle crack on their fries, y'all. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. It's no way that McDonald's fries never miss. No matter what McDonald's you go to. You know. That's how good I almost bit my hand off. You know. Their fries are always gonna hit. It doesn't matter what store you go to, what McDonald's you go to, where in the state you go to McDonald's, like, their fries, they're never gonna miss. Salted or unsalted. They fries fresh out the fryer, baby. Top tier. Top tier. So that's why I think they sprinkle crack on their fries. Because there's no way. There's no way that their fries are this way. Everywhere you go, like, why are your fries so good? Why are they so good? It's like it's never a miss. Burger King, I don't like their fries. Wendy's, some people don't like their fries. I can tolerate their fries. It's not like super bad. They're not like the best fries, like the greatest of all time. Because I really, honestly, and truly love Five Guys fries. Their fries, amazing. Right? You can get their fries. McDonald's fries is Easy setting. This was good. This is really good. And we have body birds. We are finished. We're done. That's almost like 3 spots for a while. I'm trying to eat. Okay, see gang. Until next time, you see me, I'll be 30 years old. Oh. I've really been drinking. Yeah, it tastes like, I don't know, Fruit Loops or Fruity Pebbles. But it's good. It's good too. Bye, guys, again. Until next time. Later.